Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In this travel series, I will be sharing with you all travel friendly food for kids. Hope you all enjoy watching. The first one is Superfood Crackers. Now this was my first time making them, so it was trial and error. I need to improve on making it thinner as crackers, but my husband came to the rescue and at last the crackers turned out great. Into a bowl, add flax seeds, chia seeds, black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, sunflower seeds and Isabgol or psyllium husk, salt as per taste, garlic powder and oregano. Give it a mix. Add water and leave it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, give it a mix again and you're ready to make them into thin discs. I tried doing them in a muffin tray, but it didn't look thin enough. But my husband came up with an idea and made them into thin discs. Then bake it in a preheated oven. Once you take it out, let them cool a bit and you can see how crispy they are. Once completely cooled, store them in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. The next one is pancake balls. For that, into a bowl, sieve flour, baking powder and salt. Then add brown sugar, for the wet ingredients, add eggs, buttermilk. I did not have buttermilk at home, so instead into fresh milk I added vinegar, left it for around 5 to 10 minutes and used that as buttermilk. Then add vanilla essence, olive oil and at last add the buttermilk. Instead of olive oil, you can even add melted butter. Whisk them all together until there are no lumps and the pancake batter is ready. After around 5 to 10 minutes of resting the batter, I added some frozen berries that I had at home. Fold it in gently into the batter. Then I've used a paniyaram or appam pan to make the pancake balls. Once you pour in the batter, cover and let it cook on one side. And then after a few minutes, turn them around, cover and cook again. These are Yasin's favorites. Once done, let them cool down in a cooling rack before you store them in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. Next is vegetable muffins. Into a bowl I have sieved flour, baking powder and baking soda. For the vegetables, first I grated the carrot and zucchini. Left it on a sieve to drain all the excess water. Don't worry about draining the water too much. Then into a bowl I have also added frozen corn and frozen green peas along with the grated carrots and zucchini. Then add an egg, vegetable oil, Greek yogurt and milk and grated cheese. Now into the sieved flour I've also added salt, garlic powder, oregano and pepper powder. Give the wet mixture a mix and then add in the dry ingredients. You can grease a cupcake or a muffin tray and directly add the batter into it. I chose to do it in cupcake liners. Now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, so until the toothpick comes out clean. Once they are completely cooled, you can store it in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. I made extra as I wanted to keep some in the freezer, which will be handy when we come back. And they stay very well frozen for up to 2 to 3 months. I also made some double chocolate chip cookies for Zane, but I did not record the recipe as I got the recipe online and I was in a rush to finish off all the cooking before we travel. That's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Stay tuned for our travel videos coming up next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.